Next, add default title into the timeline. Customize the title. Now create a blue background. Proceed by adding a text and customize the font, type and size. Change the text color to green. Activate the text outline and change its color to black. Proceed by adding any animation of your choice. Now export the video. Import the video. Add the video in the second track. Then add your background video in the first track. Go to Edit Properties and activate the chroma key. Lock the second track and adjust your background video as follows. Add a glow effect. Click the render icon. Then export the video. Delete everything in the timeline, then import the video. Add your main video in the first track. Then add the imported video. Go to Edit Properties, activate the chroma key and use the dropper tool and select the blue color. Then click the render icon.
My view from the top of the moon, I can see the whole world sitting in my hand, I'm made of blue. We finna break the rules, then we gon' make them too. I can't promise if I gotta stand tall, that's what a leader do. Follow me, I'm leading you. Like we finna turn up, cranked up the heat and they finna burn up. Told them I'm coming, I'm ill, tell them they time up. I said it once, I'ma say it again, this he be my ill. I ain't most on no film, I know that I'm